Welcome to the channel. So I'm just going to share with you a tip of how to mask out some data, and this works in Filmora 12. I am in the process of upgrading to Filmora 13, but I expect that that will work just as well in Filmora 13. So quick example, let's just say for whatever reason I'm making a video and this spreadsheet is just going to go in there as a static image, and I just want to mask out the salaries. So I've just opened up Filmora 12, and this track here is the introduction. Now I did cut this track just because there was some background noise that I wanted to not include. So what I'm now going to do with this is copy this and just paste it here. That will go on track 1. And then I want to do another track for track 2. And I'm just going to paste it above it, and then we'll line it up. Actually, let's not line it up because what I'm now going to do is add the grainy effect to the lower track. I don't want to include the original soundtrack here either, so I'm just going to drag down the volume on both tracks. 2 effects, choose grainy blur and drop that on the lower track. Now we can line them back up again. And of course you don't see the grain at the moment because that's on the lower track, so the track on the top is taking the priority in terms of what you see. So we're now going to go to Video Mask, choose the rectangle, there's its default position, and then what we'll do is we'll just line it up. And I'm just going to put that over the salaries. Now you may think at this stage, why am I only focusing on seeing the salaries? Because that's the opposite of what I've said we want to do. But bear with me while I just line this up. Okay, so the secret is down here, still under the controls of the mask. You're going to go down, you're going to say invert mask. And you can just make any fine adjustments to that. Okay, hope you found that useful. It's a really cool feature, and I've been using that on some professional videos as well. So until the next time, do take care, and thanks for viewing. Bye bye.